Good morning, class 2 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Oh, I am also well. Now let's learn English. And here is a beautiful poem. Trees are lovely. Read this poem carefully at your home. It's a very easy poem. Open at page 49. From this title of this poem, we have come to know that here the poet describes the trees and the nature, especially the natural beauty where trees are. Okay, now in this poem the poet tells us about the colors, the shapes and the parts of the trees. Okay, like if you are talking about the colors of the trees are brown and green. But how it is brown and how it is green? Because if it's a tree, let me draw a picture. I can't draw well. Okay, yes, let me draw a picture of a tree. Okay, if here are the leaves, okay, so the leaves are green and the stem or the trunk is brown. Okay, generally the leaves are green and the stem is brown. Okay, and side we can see trees around us. Some trees are small and some trees are also very tall. Okay, like bamboo, it's very tall. Banana, it's a large tree. Sorry, banyan large tree. Okay. Now, but what are the parts of the trees? The parts of the trees are like stem, branch, leaf, flower and fruit. And trees are very useful to us. The poet says that trees are very useful to us because they give us shade from sunlight and rainfall. When the sun is shining very hot, we take shelter under the branches of trees. So trees are very useful to us. They give us shade and they provide us also shade during rainfall. Okay. And remember, trees are very useful to children also because they play in the branches of trees. Okay, and they hide from their teacher behind the trees. So the poet asks everyone not to chop down or cut down the trees because the trees are homes to many creatures, like especially birds. Okay, the birds make nest in the branches of trees. So the trees are homes to birds, and the birds make their nest in the branches of trees. If we cut down trees, the nest of the birds will be destroyed. So don't cut down trees, and we should always try to plant more trees. Okay, is that clear? So this is the gist of the poem. You have to read the poem carefully and comprehension. Here are some questions. First question, name some of the colors of the trees. Very easy. I have told you what are the colors of trees. Some of the colors of the trees are brown and green. Okay. Second question, what are the some of the parts of trees? You have read it also in science. What are the parts of the trees? Some of the parts of the trees are stem, branch, leaf, flower, fruit, etc. Okay, there are so many parts, but just you have to write 4 or 5 parts. How are trees useful to children? Trees are very useful to children. They play in the branches of trees. বাচ্চারা কি করে ট্রিজের ব্রাঞ্চে খেলা করে, okay? So they are very useful and they also hide from the teachers behind the trees. How are trees helpful to us? Trees are very helpful to us. They give us shade from hot sun and rainfall. Okay. Oh, shade. Sorry, shade. I have repeat the word. Okay, is that clear? So write the question answers in your copybook and read the poem. And now, workbook page number 34. That is a puzzle and there are given clues. I I have written the answer in your worksheet. You have to solve the crossword. Like your first clue is workbook page 34. Like here is a clue across we play cricket with a dash and ball. I have written the answer. You have to fill in the crossword in the box. Okay, we play cricket with a like bat and ball, and fill in the blanks with capital letters. Okay, like your second clue. Here is your third clue, not two. Across third clue, here is given a picture. Okay, look at the picture. It's the picture of ant. Like the fourth. Oh no, sorry, five. The five clues are grapes, minus gr equal to, so grapes minus gr, so gr cross means apes. Is that clear? This is the across clue. Across means you have to write from left side to right side, and the down clues, like the first down clue number 1. Here is a picture of a pencil and you have to write the pencil is broken. This is the picture of a broken pencil. Broken. Okay. And also number 2 clue, there is a picture of a short man and tall man. So this man is short and this man is tall. Okay, you have to write this. And down means like broken, B-R-O-K-E-N. This is called down, like tall, T-A-L-L. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks like this. Open page 34. Okay, so that's all for today. Read carefully at home. Okay, thank you.